Hello friends, welcome to aravalligeoacademy. Or in this video, we are going to discuss the next mineral. See the picture of the mineral first and guess the answer. What is the name of this mineral? So this mineral is the mineral fluorite. Okay, let's we discuss the physical property, optical property, geological occurrence, usage, and actually deposits of fluoride deposits of the Rajasthan. Okay, so see the first we will cover the physical property of the mineral fluoride. Chemical composition of mineral fluoride is uh, chemical composition of mineral fluoride is CaF2, and crystal system of mineral fluoride is the isometric or cubic. Fluoride crystallize in the cubic crystal system, and this is also known as isometric. Color depend on the impurities, but mostly pure fluorite is the colorless. Okay, but color depend on the impurities. Okay, so in this slide, chemical composition is important, as well as the crystal system is also important. Okay, next, luster of the fluorite is a vitreous or broken glass like, and hardness of fluorite is the 4 on the Mohs hardness scale, and cleavage is perfect in the 4 direction. Cleavage and hardness is very important in this slide. First see the image of the cleavage: one direction, second direction, third direction, and fourth direction. So there are the 4 cleavage direction, or example is the fluorite. Okay, so remember the hardness, because fluorite is part of the Mohs hardness scale. So hardness is important, and cleavage is also important, because this is the unique perfect in the 4 direction, or this cleavage is known as octahedral cleavage. Okay, so remember the both points of this slide. Next, fracture of the fluorite is the subconchoidal to uneven, and streak of the fluorite is the white, and transparency of the fluorite is transparent to translucent. Specific gravity of fluorite is 3.0233. Okay, but not important. Now, optical property of mineral fluoride. So optical nature is isotropic, because crystallized in the cubic crystal system. Refractive indices of the fluorite is 1.433, and birefringence is none. Okay, so remember there is no birefringence in fluoride, because isotropic. Relief is also low, and paleochroism is none, because there is no birefringence. And extinction angle is not applicable. There is no extinction angle for isometric. Interference color is none also, since this is isotropic. Fluorescence, okay, fluorescence actually this is the optical phenomena. Okay, and fluoride fluorite is famous for its strong fluorescence under the ultraviolet light, often glowing blue or violet. Remember the color of the actually fluorescence, blue or violet. See, this is the blue color, and this is the violet color. Okay, so fluorescence color of the fluorite is blue or violet. Next question, this is important for exam. Okay, next, varieties. We discuss the varieties of the fluoride. So Blue Johan is the banded purple and yellow variety found in the Derbyshire, England, used as the decorative stone. Remember this used for the decorative stone. See, this is the Blue Johan, okay, or known as the Derbyshire spar due to this location name. Okay, this Blue Johan fluorite variety is used for the decorative purpose, okay, or decorative stone. So remember this one. Now next, chlorophane. Chlorophane is very interesting variety of the mineral fluoride, but this is rare variety. Exhibit the thermoluminescence. We know the fluoride exhibit fluorescence, but chlorophane also exhibit the thermoluminescence, glowing when heated. When we heat this mineral, then this is glowing, and this phenomena is known as thermoluminescence. Chlorophane, also sometimes known as are the pyroemerald, cobra stone, or pyrosamargod. Okay, also remember cobra stone. Okay, this is unique name. Cobra stone is the chlorophane. Okay, and there are lots of the optical property in the chlorophane, like the thermoluminescence, thermophosphorescence, triboluminescence, and fluorescence. All optical properties present in the chlorophene. Okay, this is the unique. So remember this one also. Chlorophene is the variety of the mineral fluorite, so exhibiting the thermoluminescence. So this one is very important point for exam. Next we discuss, see the image of the chlorophene. This is the chlorophene. Okay, now geological occurrence, how to form. So through the through the process of the hydrothermal activity, fluoride formed through the process of the hydrothermal activity in medium to low temperature hydrothermal vents. Okay, associated with the lead, zinc, and silver. Sedimentary environment, fluoride also occur in the sedimentary environment as a diagenetic mineral in the limestone and dolostone, often replacing carbonates. Next, igneous rock, fluoride found as a accessory mineral in the granitic pegmatite and the fluoride-rich alkaline rocks, but not important. Metamorphic zone, fluoride present in the skarn and the contact metamorphic zone where fluorine-rich fluid are active. Okay. So important usage of the fluoride is fluoride used the manufacturing of the hydrofluoric acid. Remember this point, okay? Fluoride used for the making the hydrofluoric acid. Second use, fluoride is the major source of the hydrogen fluoride, is a common commodity chemical use of the produce a wide range of the material. See this reaction first. This is the mineral fluoride. This is the S2SO4 sulfuric acid. So after this reaction, hydrogen fluoride is formed. Okay. So fluoride is major source of the hydrogen fluoride also, or fluoride used for the manufacturing of the hydrofluoric acid also. Now fluoride act as a flux in the steel and aluminum production. This also remember this is very important, right? Which mineral used for the as a flux in the steel and the aluminum production? So right answer is the fluoride. Next, essential in the making of the opalescent glass and the enamels. This is also important. Fluoride used in the optics for lens due to the low dispersion. Okay, so remember this property. Due to this low dispersion optical property, fluoride used in the optics lens. Okay. Now, actually, I am from the Rajasthan, so let's we discuss the fluoride deposit of Rajasthan. First, this is the northeast district, Sikar. Okay, this is the Sikar district of Rajasthan. So, Chokri Chapoli is part of the Sikar district, Rajasthan. This is famous for the fluoride deposits. Then this one, this is the Karara area. This is the Jalore district of the Rajasthan. So Jalore district in Karara area in the Jalore district is also famous for the fluoride deposits in Rajasthan. Now see this one is the Dungarpur district of the Rajasthan area, part of the southern Rajasthan. So there are the two important mines, Manduki Pal or Kahila. Okay, these are famous for the fluoride deposits in the Rajasthan. Okay, remember the all. Now we are going to discuss very interesting point of the lecture, objective questions. First question, fluorite is primarily composed of which mineral formula? Option A CaCO3, option B CaF2, option C MgF2, and option D CaSO4. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is CaF2. Okay. Next, what is the crystal system of the fluoride? So tetragonal, then monoclinic, then cubic, then hexagonal. So we already know that fluoride crystallize in the cubic crystal system, and this is known as the isometric. Next, the hardness of the fluoride on Moho hardness scale is 2, 4, 6 and 7. So which one is the correct? Correct answer is the 4. Hardness of fluoride is the 4. Next, which of the following is best describe fluoride's cleavage? Perfect in one direction, poor in the all direction, perfect octahedral, and no cleavage. So which one is the correct answer? Fluoride cleavage is the perfect octahedral or perfect, in the 4 direction. Okay. Next, fluorite is commonly used as a construction material, fertilizer, flux in the steel making, and abrasive. So we know that fluorite used for the flux in the aluminum or steel production. So correct answer is the C. Next, fluorite is luster is typically. The luster of fluorite can be option A is the metallic, option B earthy, option C vitreous, option D is the pearly. So what is the luster of the mineral fluoride? Luster of mineral fluoride is the vitreous. Next, fluorite fluorescence under which light? Infrared light, sunlight, ultraviolet light, and X-ray only. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the ultraviolet light. Next question, fluorite is used in the manufacturing of cement, hydrofluoric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the hydrofluoric acid. Next, the streak of the fluorite is white, yellow, pink, and black. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the white. Streak of the fluorite is the white. Next, which of the following region in India has fluoride deposits? Aravalli region, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and Eastern Ghat, and Sikkim Himalaya. So which region of India famous for the fluoride deposits? So correct answer is the Aravalli region. Next, in thin section, fluoride appear under the cross-nickel as strongly paleochroic, high relief, isotropic, or anisotropic. So we already know fluoride crystallize in the cubic crystal system. So this is a isotropic mineral under the cross-nickel. Next, fluoride is optically uniaxial positive, uniaxial negative, biaxial positive, or isotropic. So which one is correct answer? Because fluoride crystallize in the cubic, so fluoride is the isotropic mineral. We already have covered uniaxial positive and negative. So you tell me the example of the uniaxial positive mineral or uniaxial negative mineral in comment section. This is the homework for you. Next, what kind of the twin is common in the fluoride crystal? Carlsbad twin, contact twin, penetration twin, and spinel twin. So which twin can present? So correct answer is the penetration twin. See the picture of the penetration twin. This is penetration twin in the fluoride, and see the real example. Okay, real picture of the penetration twin in the fluoride. Next, fluoride is used in the optics because of its which property? Radioactive property, low dispersion, high birefringence, and high hardness. So which property? Low dispersion. Due to low dispersion, fluoride used for the optic glass. Next, what is the role of the fluoride in the aluminium production? Act as a flux, source of the aluminium, act as a electrolytes, has no role. So which one is correct answer? Correct answer is the act as a flux. What type of the cleavage does fluorite exhibit? Perfect in one direction, perfect in two direction, perfect in four direction, or this cleavage is the octahedral, and indistinct cleavage. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the perfect in the four direction, or this cleavage is known as octahedral. An example of this type of cleavage is the mineral fluorite. What color does fluorite typically glow under the UV light? Red, green, blue or violet, and yellow. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the blue or violet. Under the UV light, fluorite glow blue or violet. Next, what is the name of the banded purple yellow variety of fluorite found in the Derbyshire, England? Option A, chlorophane. Option B, blue Johan. Option C, amethyst. And option D, topaz. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the blue Johan. Okay. Blue Johan is the banded purple and yellow variety of the fluorite found in the Derbyshire, England. And due to this mine location, this variety is also known as Derbyshire spar. Okay. Next, what are the variety of fluoride glow when heated? So halide, blue Johan, chlorophane, and calcite. Okay, so which a rare variety of fluoride glow when heated, or this phenomenon is known as thermoluminescence. So which variety exhibit the thermoluminescence? Correct answer is the chlorophane. Okay, now question for you. Blue Johan is primarily used for industrial ore, jam cutting, radioactive dating, and decorative stone. So this is question for you. Right answer, you drop a comment in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Friends, try to share with your maximum friends, especially with the BSc friends. Thank you.